Using X gift cards is a straightforward process that allows you to enjoy the benefits of your gift. Follow these steps to make the most of your card. Step 1. Check the balance. Before using your gift card, check the balance to know how much you have available. You can usually find this information on the back of the card or on the issuer's website. Step 2. Find a participating store or website. Locate a store or website that accepts X gift cards. This information can typically be found on the card or the issuer's website. Step 3. Make your purchase. Select the items you want to buy and proceed to checkout. If you are shopping online, add the items to your cart. If you are in store, take your items to the register. Step 4. Redeem your gift card. At checkout, present your gift card. For online purchases, enter the card number and any required PIN. For in-store purchases, hand the card to the cashier. Step 5. Complete the transaction. If your purchase exceeds the gift card balance, you may need to pay the remaining amount with another payment method. Once the transaction is complete, keep your receipt for reference. Now you are ready to enjoy your purchases with your X gift card.